today's video we will discuss how to fix the emulator lag. Experiencing lag while typing in the search bar on an emulator can be frustrating. Here are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. So the number one, allocate sufficient resources. Ensure that your emulator has enough resources allocate to it. This includes CPU cores, RAM and GPU resources. For that, just click here on the settings. If you are using any other emulator, the options are still remain and same. So just go into the settings and make sure select the CPU cores. The recommended are the maximum, and then the RAM at least 4 GB for your emulator. Now the manage disk space, if there's any automatic option then choose that one, and if there's nothing like the disk space then you can increase a bit, and also make sure there's enough space in your drive where you are using the emulator. Now right now I'm using emulator from G drive and you can see there's enough space. So you can also clear the disk cache. This will also fix the problem. Outdated or incompatible graphic drivers can cause lag. Make sure your graphic drivers are up to date. If you are using NVIDIA GeForce, just click here on the arrow and open the GeForce. Once you open the GeForce, go into the update section and update your graphic drivers. Now in case if it's already up to date, that's good, but in case if there's any update available, make sure to update your graphic drivers. Now if you're using any other graphic card like AMD, then you can go on the official website and then download the latest version. Also you can change the emulator if the issue persists. Try a different emulator. Some emulators may perform better on certain systems, so it's better to change your emulator and try. And close background applications. Make sure there is not other resource intensive applications running in the background, just like the Adobe Photoshop or any other game. Enable the virtualization if applicable. If your computer supports hardware virtualization and it's not enable it in the BIOS, can improve emulator performance. And if you don't know how to do that, link is mentioned in the description. Just go ahead, watch that video and enable the virtualization technology. Also reduce the emulator resolutions. Lowering the resolutions within the emulator settings can sometimes improve performance, but it's not like this one. This will not improve your emulator performance. You need to go into the settings, and here you can see there's a lot of settings. So by default might be it's like this or this, but anyways go the lowest resolution settings and hit apply, and after that restart your emulator. It will fix the problem. The major issue that according to my experience you are facing might be you are using the emulator in your hard disk drive. So what you can do here, now this drive is actually a hard disk drive, not a SSD drive. So right click on it, go into the properties, and first you can do a clean junk files if there's any available. Otherwise click on the Windows icon and search here for defragment. Now defragment and optimization is a long topic. If I just start to discuss, the video will go more than 10 minutes. But anyways, simply select your drive where you have installed the emulator and then first analyze and then optimize. A lot of people just ignore the analyze and they directly click on the optimize. It's not work there properly. So first analyze and then optimize. It will take a few seconds because hard disk is not faster as compared to SSD. So just wait a few seconds. Right now it's running, so when it finished, that's it, you can relaunch your emulator and your problem should be fixed 100%. If still you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.